And welcome back to the Go Road Mafia YouTube channel. And today, it is a mildly rainy January 2nd, 2022. And we are expecting some snow. Quite a bit of snow, actually. They're saying roughly 7 to 10 inches. That kind of covers, because we're right in the middle of the 7 to 8, and probably the 8 to 10 range, somewhere in there. Where I'm from, actually, in Virginia, which is that yonder direction somewhat, is getting 10 plus inches. So keep them in your thoughts if this hits like it's supposed to. But the wife is sending me out to the store to get some groceries in preparation for the storm. So we're gonna get Jolene fired up here, head towards town. Oh, I hope this don't hit. I just got out of the food city here that you see, and it was very crowded. I believe many people is banking on this storm happening and coming through, so they were just about out of many things. Well, as long as the power stays on and roads do not totally deteriorate, I'm planning on maybe watching the snow start to pile in. It shall be interesting. Not ready for it. Not ready at all. But it is wintertime. We've been graced with the 60 and 70s here lately in December and January. But it's time for some winter weather, unfortunately. So let's get these groceries home. It's supposed to start sometime this evening into the night and fall at a rate of 2 inches an hour. I don't know if the ground's warm enough right now to, melt off some snow, but that is the hope. I hope the ground is warm enough from the 70s that we've had here lately. 9 o'clock weather update. Just rain. No, well, you can't really see all that. Well, there you can. No white precipitation as of yet. the storm warnings was to start about 8 o'clock, and we're 9 o'clock as I stated, and still just a little rainfall. Temperature has dropped drastically, especially according to yesterday. It was 75 yesterday, so the ground temperature probably on the warm side, but we'll see what happens. I think the ground's just too wet and saturated to really do much sticking. But y'all stick around. 9 o'clock update this is. Y'all hang around. Me and Bailey here is anticipating the snowstorm. Y'all stick around and we'll wait on it. Well, as you can see that is ice. Ice is forming. Poor Jolene out there. I don't know if you can really see Jolene, but she is out there. And there is ice certainly coming. The sleet is falling good. Well, I think it's like 11ish. Let's check. What time is it? 11:07. So this will be my 11 o'clock update. And it's ice so far. No white snow falling just yet. Just ice and rain, mixture, sleet. Yes, that's it. Well, it's time for our 1 o'clock update. And hopefully you can see that. I'd be better with just that. But it is snowing. It is snowing. Not very much, but it is snowing. Not sure how much we could get. Jolene is getting a little icy out there. Nothing accumulating just yet on the grass down there. As you can see, nothing's accumulated down there just yet. But it is snowing nonetheless. And you see there is some ice starting to form on everything. There you go. There's your snow. I'll try to update you maybe a few more times throughout the night. Let's see what we get. 2 a.m. weather update. Not really seeing much of a change than what it was earlier. Still just a little white here and there and a little slight flurry. Nothing drastic. Just a little slight flurry coming here and there. I'm about scared that the porch is fixing to get real slick. There's the banister again. So, that's the 2 a.m. weather update. Fixing to go get some shut-eye. So we'll update you in the morning. Or if we wake up with snow or not. Who knows? See you then. Well, here is the next morning update. We did get just a little snow. Not 8 to 10 inches like I recall, which is perfectly fine for me. But the first little snowstorm of 2022, this is what we got. I'm feeling that road there is a little sketchy on some spots. And that right there is a cold ride indeed. Well, it's now Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, whatever anybody want to call it. There is no snow on the ground. It's all clear, fine and dandy. Something's missing from right here. Yeah, it's across the road. I don't know if you can see that. You might be able to. But anyways, let's go to Walmart and try to find a cable for my external mic, so maybe y'all can understand me in my videos. Good morning, y'all. Thursday morning, as of currently. You know, Jolene here is gonna ride to town and try to grab us some more snacks and food to last us through the next winter storm we're supposed to be approaching. This one could be worse than the last one, they're saying. Even though they over-predicted the last one, we didn't hardly get much. But they're saying that they may have this one scoped out right. Who knows? Who really knows? But me and old Jolene's gonna ride to town here and get some stuff to last us through if it does happen. Plan on documenting this storm too. So y'all stick around. It could be interesting for sure. It could. Yeah. Well, I just left the Food City once again. Yeah, it is crowded. Very, very crowded. I initially had to park at the doctor's office next door, and luckily I seen somebody just so happened to be pulling out, and there was a car blocking their route to get out, you know, trying to get in beside of them. So I was like, there you go, hold up just 1 second. So I zipped her around and I come in right here. So it is very crowded. I have a feeling Walmart is the same way. There's some mixed reviews inside the store here about the snowstorm. I kind of whispered my ear hairs was a hearing. So we'll see, I guess. You know, they're not really saying that it could be as wet and heavy as the last time, but it'll be more accumulation. The wife was telling me there this morning that they're saying that this is going to be a light, fluffy snow. So, you know, they're not really expecting as many power outages. outages. Can't talk today. But this is Kentucky Power, so they're subdivided and cut off from the AEP. And in Virginia, you have AEP, and it sucks sometimes. I actually lived in Virginia in a rarely, I mean, it's a highly populated town, I should say, for the amount of area. So, yeah, they were quick to get power turned back on there. And thinking back on it, I remember a few times growing up that we was without power, maybe a day, day and a half, but that was rare. And my papa would just, don't open the fridge, you know, and that would work for a day or so, and then we'd end up taking the stuff and putting it in the yard in the snow. Work too. You've got to be resourceful, and he certainly was, and I think I picked up a few habits from that, which is good. One day it may help me. But anyways, I'm just rambling on, trying to tickle your ear hair some more, but I guess we'll see what happens. It's 11 o'clock, and they're saying between 12 and 2. I may just stick her around and see what happens on this road go around. Maybe they'll totally miss it. It'll just come out to be some rain or something. That would be nice. I do work outside, and the cold weather sucks regardless, but when it snows, I can't work. Oh, the joys of owning your own business. It'll be fun, they said. It will be fun. I'm believing someone lied to me. Looks like the Food City Gas and Go is not very happening today. Last night it was very busy. With the value card slider in 3,000, you got the 30 cents off a gallon. So it was worth it last night. Certainly worth it. Stop signs just slow you down. Ace Hardware. Ace is a helpful hardware. Something or another place or something, I don't know. I wonder how many people actually know that's an Ace Hardware. I lived here for a long time and never knew it was an Ace Hardware. It's always, let's go to Frazier's Farm Supply. Frazier's. Frazier's. I come in, I was like, hey, this is an Ace Hardware. Well, there's not many people out of town, so I believe everybody's kind of tuckered in at the house and buttoning down the hatches. we've made it back to home base here. And I can't really say what the sky was looking like because I'm not a weatherman, first of all. But it is looking like it may do some kind of weather. Something. Well, let's carry these groceries in here. Y'all can grab a bag and help me tote it in if you'd like. But let's get in the house and wait this storm out and see what happens. Y'all stick around.